at the Patients tab, and more specifically, the Overview subtab of your Patients file. The Patients tab, when you click on the actual tab, you'll be on a list view of all your patients. Of course, I only have one record here, but to drop down to a patient quickly, simply enter the first couple of letters of that patient's last name in the search box on the right hand side, hit the return or enter key on your keyboard, and that will drop you down to that patient's name. Another thing about this view list is this little icon next to the red box. This allows you to create an invoice for this patient according to their billing preferences, which you would have entered in their patient's case when you create their file. Of course, you can create an invoice from other areas, but this is a quick way to do so. In order to go to my patient, simply click on the little arrow here in front of the name, and that will take you to the overview screen of that patient. If you were to create a new patient's file, this is the screen that you'd be landing on, but you would be in edit mode. This is the only screen in Accubase that's locked, and you must be in edit mode to make any changes. The only thing that you can change without clicking on edit is the phone number, email, and the provider. Be sure to assign a provider to your patient, as this will reflect on your Superbill and your CMS form. Simply click on the drop menu here and choose your provider. Another place that you can actually edit from here is the copay field, but we'll take a look at that in more detail when we go to the patient's case detail, where the copay gets set up and then reflects here. But if you needed to change that, you can change it from here. The comment box is also locked, so once you are in edit mode, you're able to add any comments. The reason it's on the side here is so that as you go through the different tabs of the patient's file, the comment box remains available for you to see. Let's go into edit mode. Once you're in edit mode, you can go ahead and fill out this form here. A quick note on how to add a picture. Click on Add Picture, browse your computer to find your picture, click on it, and click Insert. And this will be true for any other areas of the database where you can insert a picture or a document. Another thing about this screen here is just the insured's ID number here. You'll see that as I put my cursor on that field, it will tell me where this is going to flow to on the CMS 1500. This is box 1A of the CMS 1500. Hit continue to step out of the screen. If you forget, it will remind you to. You're not going to be able to step out of it without hitting the continue button. And that will be it for this video.